I believe the warmest air a heat pump can produce is about 96 degrees. So you put your hand up there and it's cooler than your body temperature. I can't open all my windows and sleep under the covers in a cool night. Close my windows, go to the kitchen, say, I want to warm things up now.
It's true. It's true. It'll take a lot longer in that case. You're absolutely right.
But what you're saying is that heat pump will hit it, maintain it, and hold it much more consistently.
It absolutely can, yes.
Yep. So your fan motor's running more. Your filter is filtering more. You're dealing with a more consistent temperature through all corners of your house. So there are a lot of advantages.
Absolutely. I mean, this is the time of year where people like to open up their doors and windows too. And so by circulating the fan or, using the system on a consistent basis, you're actually allowing that air to get cleaned up too. So we don't have the, VOCs that build up in the house or the dust and pollen and things from the outside that truly merge with the house, make it a dirty or unhealthy environment for your family.